how to fix error. The action cannot be completed because the file is open in another program on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of system error code, then here are the fixes. Right click on start button and choose task manager. And here make sure that all your running programs, any files or folders opening, simply select it and choose end task. And also restart your, simply select it. If any files and folders is under process, select it and choose end task. And also restart your Windows Explorer. To do so, go to search field of task manager and type Explorer. Windows Explorer appeared. Select it and from the top right corner click on restart task. And after that close the window and check whether your system error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, go to Windows search and type disk cleanup. Open disk cleanup, click on open. Disk cleanup wizard will now open. Here select the drive you want to clean up, basically C drive where your program files exist, and click on OK. A new window will open. Here make the check against all these options: files to delete, temporary files, thumbnails, recycle bin, user file history, etc. Make the check against all these options and click on OK. A new pop-up window will appear. Are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? Choose delete files. Disk cleanup is in progress. After that, close the windows and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on a start button and choose run. Here in run dialog box, type the command recent. Click on OK. And if you press Ctrl plus A to select all contents of recent folder and choose delete. Thereafter close the windows. Again go to start button, right click on it and choose run. And now type the command %temp, again %sign. Click on OK. Here again press Ctrl plus A to select all these contents and click on delete. Clear your temporary files and folders. Pop-up window will appear. Choose continue or which file not deleted. Skip this. After that, close the windows. Your error should be definitely be resolved. That's all.